Still not sure? Well, we are going to prove you. Let's show you why our vacuum urine cup is the right specimen collection cup for your workflow. First, let's put its leak-proof design to the test. Instead of using water, we're filling the cup with carbonated cola to create pressure inside the container. After securing the screw cap, we shake it vigorously. Even with the pressure building up inside, there's no leaking, no dripping, and no mess. Now let's look at one of its most practical features. The vacuum urine cup cap allows you to transfer specimens directly into compatible vacuum tubes without opening the container. That means a cleaner, more compact, and more efficient collection process while helping reduce the risk of contamination. The vacuum urine cup is designed to lock securely onto your collection tube with a satisfying click. Then, with a gentle push, the sample transfers smoothly. No spills, no mess, no hassle. Fast, clean, and efficient, exactly the way specimen handling should be. Designed for dependable performance every day, this specimen cup features a generous 120 milliliter capacity for routine specimen collection, a sterile, ready-to-use design, and a clear graduated container for easy visibility and accurate volume reference. Built from professional medical-grade materials with a leak-proof screw cap and integrated vacuum urine cup cap, it's the reliable choice for safer collection, cleaner transfers, and confident transport.